Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Gerald from Gerald's Car Reviews. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that way you know when I upload a new video. So for today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 Trail Boss. This is going to be a full tour of the Silverado Trail Boss. I'm going to start it up. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the inside, so what's the outside of the truck. So, with that being said, here's the key. It's going to come on in and get started. As you can see, the truck does come equipped with remote start. It's a gray exterior color, and you have smart key access on the driver's door and the front passenger door. And it's got black leather interior, power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. It's push button to start. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Very nice. It's got full leather wrap steering wheel. Nice and smooth power steering. It's got a 10-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection, and you have manual shiftability. You get the plus and minus on the shifter. You also have a backup camera as well with guidance lines. Electronic park brake okay right here. Alright, let's click on the lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. Check out the exterior. Got your blind spot mirror right there. Let's see, what kind of tires are these? These are 275, 65 R18s. We got LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. There's your fog lights down below. Then you have your red tow hitches right here on each side. Beautiful truck, guys. It's got LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. Yeah, Yeah, it is, man. Got your dual exhaust. You have your tow hitch. This one also has the multi tailgate, which I'll show that in just a moment. All right, let's go pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Chevrolet's 5.3 liter V8. Battery. Very nice. Power windows. Power windows, window lock, power mirrors, power door locks. Storage down there. It's got the Bose audio system. All right, let's go give this thing a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control. Got your fan speed. Different modes. Got your AC, your recycling, front defrost, rear defrost. Got your different temperatures. Just dual zone. Down a little bit. Got your 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Then got your hill descent button, your tailgate button, hazards, touch control off, and your outlet. Got your house outlet. Got your 2 USB outlets, and you have a 12-volt power outlet. Got your trailer hitch right here. 3 cup holders. Storage in there with your light. And you have your 2 USB outlets and your auxiliary input and your SD card holder. Let's check out the radio. Not bad. Different stations. So you got your AM, FM, satellite radio. You got your preset stations up here. Here's the home screen. Got your audio, your phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, user settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your trailering. Apps, OnStar services, climate, camera, My Chevrolet Series XM, all that good stuff. So is your phone. Wi-Fi hotspot users, settings, all your settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, trailering.
What's your wife's attitude right now about you and what she did?
Apps. So you have your apps in your own, you have your personal apps right here. Sirius XM climate. Do the climate control from the screen, or you can do it down here, whichever one you prefer. Very nice. Got your cruise control, heated steering wheel. You have your driver info system. Voice command, Bluetooth telephone, turn signals and wipers. There's high speed. There's low speed right there. Right there, got your tachometer, your oil, temperature, fuel gauge, battery, your speedometer. And on the speedometer, and right over here is your gear selector. Right here you have your four-wheel drive, your different modes, your bed lighting, and this is to dim the gauges. You have your lights right here, grip handle, got your interior lights. And this is to open the rear window. It's got a manual dimming rearview mirror. You have storage up there. And it has a manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Alright, I guess that's it for the inside. Gonna put the window down and we'll check out the back seat. Total price for this one is $56,560, and the base price is $51,500. Here are some of the options that it has. And the MPG is 15 city and 21 highway. Power window. Storage down there. You have storage in here as well. Storage in there. Got your map pockets on the driver's side and the passenger side. You have your two USB outlets, 12-volt power outlet. Got your two cup holders back here. Cup holders and your center armrest. Here's your interior lights. Alright, let's go check out the tailgate. So this one has the multi-tailgate. So you push this top portion here. And only open the top half. And you can lift this up. This will act as a deflector to keep things from flying off the truck. Or you can lift the whole tailgate down. And you can open it like that. And you can press the top portion again. And it'll act like a step. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Power window, power door locks, storage, fully manual passenger seat, Z71. Got your 2 glove boxes. Your owner's manual is in here. Sirius XM. Very nice. Just gonna shut everything down. Let me let the window up real quick. Give me a second. Let this window up really quick. There we go. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Have a great day.